Okay, so here's a quick video of what the garage door sounds like. This is the Craftsman 3/4 horsepower with the belt drive. And of course we have a overhead door company door with nylon wheels. And of course there's the controller, and I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it tells you the time, temperature, and all those goodies. Tells you the state of the battery, the backup battery, and everything else. And of course it has a cool little motion sensor right there, so that whenever you walk out in the garage it turns on the light.